If you are looking for some high quality, vibrant chalk pens for your next project, Chalkola has you covered. I was gifted these for review, so let's get into it. Now, I love chalk pens. I love using them on chalkboards, but also windows, fridges, cars, wherever you want to write something that you can easily wash away with water. Chalk pens have you covered. Really nice for marketing, cafes, anywhere like that as well. And this set in particular is super bright. These are 6mm pens with reversible tips. Let me show you. As you can see here, one side of the tip is rounded, and if you pull that out and put it back in, the other side has a flat edge and a point to it. Now, once this is covered in chalk paint, this will be a dirty process to flip it back and forth, but luckily this is all water-based, really easy to wash off. Let me set these up. Now, for the ease of this video, I'm going to show how these work on the back of a cookie pan. For the longest time, my family had a chalkboard calendar on our wall, and I used chalk pens all the time. I would have loved to have a set as vibrant as these. And how you set these up is you're gonna wanna shake them to start, usually for like 30 seconds. And I'm just gonna shake a few of them so I have a bunch of colors ready to go. Now, once you finish shaking them, you'll just want to push down on the tip for a moment to release any pressure, and they're ready to go after they've been set up the first time. Now, as you can see right now, there isn't any paint yet in the tip, and to get paint to the tip, you need to hold it upside down and push it down on a surface. So I'm gonna go for all three. I'm just gonna hold them down, and you wanna hold them for like 1 to 3 minutes. It takes a little while to get these started, but that's just to get all of the ink down in that tip, and you will see when it gets down there as they'll start leaving little pools of color on whatever surface you have them on. And what I love about these is not only do they work on so many surfaces, but they're so easy to clean off. Just like chalk paint comes off with water. Or in a worst case scenario, you can use a little Windex to get off a tough spot. Maybe you've left it on for many months and it's really gotten in there. Windex will take that right off. Making these perfect for kids. I love letting my kids use these for arts and crafts, or if they're really bored, just color on a window, whatever is accessible. Really, really nice, easy craft to pull out and not be concerned about. Now, the pink and the orange have already started going. The blue is not yet, so I'm gonna hold that down for a moment longer. And now they're all ready to go, so let me show them to you on my cookie board. Just really bright colors. I like the fine tip on these, as these are more functional for calendaring, or maybe you're selling coffee. So you could write out what you want and you could use a variety of colors. The pink is super bright too. Please excuse my simple drawings. It's very hard to write at this angle. And then with the blue, I switched it to the flat nub, so you can see that you can draw thicker lines or very, very thin lines with it. So it gives you a lot more control if you switch over to the other side of the tip. But overall, really bright, lovely to use. And most important to me, super easy to clean off with just a little bit of water. I am really impressed with these Chalkola markers. I assumed I would be based off their reviews and how much I already know chalk markers, but now that I put them to the test, I am fully confident that you'll love them as well. Chalkola markers.